Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello, my beautiful souls in Poland. I hope you had a great Saturday, and I hope you will have a great Sunday as well. Sunday, sun, you, your heart, your blood pressure, and your veins in your body. It's good to make something good for them, definitely. That's why we can check what is the useful energy, what my lovely color of attack in Poland should use today in order to have a successful day. Okay, it's really nice weather outside for walking. Walking is good for the blood circulation, for your heart. But let's see what is the useful energy that my lovely color of attacking opponent should use today in order to have a successful day. Let's see, I'm very excited. I had some idea which card could come up today. But let's see, okay, 23rd March, yeah, 23rd of March, so we count 23 cards. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, we have the 23rd card. As usually at this part, my always forgotten sentences. You're watching Atilarot. Thank you for being with me this morning. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These action helps the channel to come up in the YouTube's algorithm, and in this case, it could help to other people to find some direction if they feel lost. If you have friend, family member, whoever, who you know that they are lost, they're in a mess, then you can share with them this video as well. But let's see what is our 23 cards. It will be on my Instagram account, the 23rd card will be on my Instagram account, so you can read the full description of this card. But let's see what is this as an energy. The Temperance. Temperance, Major Arcana number 14. God named Wahewa. And as you see, I don't know if you see the picture, but in this picture he's tempering two liquid, looking for the perfect mix. So today, let's try to do it. So today your task is find the way as you feel the best. Experience a little bit this, a little bit that, a little bit another thing. And then you will see how it feels. And at the end of the day, probably you will find that you will know how you feel good, what you should need to use in order to feel good. Oh, I just see that there's a crown here. I didn't saw it before. Okay, so mix a bit, whatever you want, like a cooking. He's definitely not cooking, but there's a cooking. A little bit this, a little bit that, and then you will see how you feel. Definitely try to feel yourself good. Try to component what you want. Maybe you need some brave, some courage, knowledge, skills, whatever. Figure it out, and then you can go further on this path, on that way to reach your success. Okay? With this guide, I wish you a very happy and successful Sunday, seriously. Okay? Thank you very much once again that you were being with me. You were watching Atilarot. Merci. Belle dimanche. Merci. Au revoir.